Kumasi Asante Kotoko IMC with a stamp approval by Manhyia no nsisaye bi aba ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko AJ project, which is the Adako JACHIE project ekoso ewo Adako JACHIE Asante Mantem ha na me the whole update no e ma osisia because Kumasi Asante Kotoko nsem no ye the off the pitch no as usual beba ye the administrative beba and ye the pitch issue, the technical aspect, coaching aspects no, and so but this time around your boy off the pitch is issues which is got to do with infrastructure. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the issues of infrastructure, but this time around there must be a progress. Our progress no must lead to something. Yes, of course. Now, as I say, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, our alter planner initially, IMC no, it take over and a contractor and say, oh, Adako JACHIE no, omodi adwuma ne man no, omo ka kire no, nsisaye aba, na nsisaye na aba na nsisaye be mpacho ha e Super 24 TV. Unsubscribe ya wadaroma na wasubscribe ya mame. Na wabo adoma no so ye move it together. Information will be say to ho ade yi ato ama obetima follow social media handles no so Facebook no Super 24 TV, Instagram no Kumasi Blogman na ye dika subom enso obetima follow your social media handle and na be fofo no enkora ne de no TikTok and also wait me follow ye na ye dika subom just say make say nkora ne de na na chese nkora ne wo nkora no ani je ho mo. Yes, a man be jina so wo so moto but eja oduman for ne de o de ye de ni YouTube. Now the woman say Kumasi Asante Kotoko AJ project no mpanyifo ye say land no nkombeye Astroturf ba ko no ma ye normal training pitch and access mini stadium, but say no Kotoko mpanyifo with the approval of Manhyia no alter the whole thing. Say Astroturf no should be cancelled. Inti ebekwa akoye mini, said you on screen so a mini sports stadium which is going to be at least 15,000 capacity. Na omaye nesa in the event say Kumasi Ghana football, you say Baba Yara, you say Baba Yara, you say Kumasi Asante Kotoko will just come and play the games the AJ Sports Complex It is a decision because maybe meeting home house say na wan ha ebe nti mpanyifo check land ni stadium na nkombe na Astroturf no omadwen ho say Astroturf no kra no bebre wo Kumasi bebre MPP abai almost over 170 something. Until there is no need Astroturf view. Until the plan right now is they are sticking to a mini stadium who is screen so no umuwia ebe containing at least 15,000 Kotoko Baba Yara issues banhoa, then we play in our mini stadium. That's information aba for buy am the bebre ofia the blog man me wi madwuma, but that's it.